In this video, we're going to walk through exporting data from a Salesforce report out to an Excel file or CSV. Now, when you open a report, if you have a summarized report that's in a vertical table like this or a crosstab, there's two ways you can export data out of Salesforce. In the upper right corner, you'll click on the down arrow and then click export. And you're going to get two options. The first is to export as a formatted report. The formatted report is going to export the data exactly as it exists in your summary. If you select details, Salesforce is going to take the individual records, in this case 245 individual records, and it's going to export the detailed data and whatever fields are a part of your detailed data. So if I export the formatted report, let's go ahead and see what that looks like. My daily activation in Excel is visually represented exactly as it exists in Salesforce. If you have a summarized report like this, and you go to the bottom of the screen and expand detailed rows, you can visually see what that 245 records looks like. This vertical table here, when I export as details only, will now be represented with the lowest level of detail representing the 245 records, and will allow you to perform additional analysis. The key thing to remember when you export data from Salesforce to Excel or a CSV file is that it's going to use the data exactly as it exists in the report when you're viewing it. Now, another neat thing that Salesforce does is that if you would like to subscribe or have Salesforce automatically export an Excel file and email it to you on a daily basis, you can click on the down arrow, you can click subscribe, you can select the days and time you want this report mailed to you, and then you can click attach file and then tell Salesforce to either send you a formatted version or a detailed version of the report that we just walked through. And then you can add yourself and other users within your Salesforce organization to receive this data delivered to your email on a regular basis. So that covers exporting data from Salesforce reports, either on demand or on a scheduled basis. Hope this helps.